high in the air, don't they? Run away! Ah! It's okay. It's okay.
One got me.
It did, Marywood?
That was awesome. Can I
It's okay. They're not gonna hurt you.
Oh.
I did it.
Yeah,
Good job, Annette.
Yeah. Way to be safe.
Hey, I did a fireworks leak for this guy, and he sent me a business card of $250 for free fireworks. But it's in Forest City.
It's lovely this time of year.
Movers.
They're coming to that corner house.
Isn't all this fun?
This is so great, Marywood.
Soon, but we have to become the people that.
Here you go, January.
Thank you, Marywood.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Keep going.